Good afternoon, everyone. Which lecture is this? Maths lecture. So be ready with your maths notebook, maths textbook and workbook. So I will be now sharing my screen. Do you remember which lesson we are doing? Lesson number 5. Stories of addition and subtraction. Okay. So yesterday we did the word problems and we did some workbook question answers. We have completed this, right? So we will move on to the next page. Fill in the blanks. You all will listen carefully and give the answers in the chat box. Fill in the blanks. Fourth question. 40 plus 29 is equals to 69. Is it correct? Answer written here. Is it correct? You have to solve and see. Let us solve. 40 plus 29. Zero plus 9 is equals to 9. Very good. 4 plus 2. Take out 2 fingers. Count after 4. 5, 6. Yes. So 40 plus 29 is equals to 69. Very good. Now we will move on to the next question. Fill up the box. Here some boxes are given, okay? So what is the number written here? 70. And here we have 20 and 50. Why we have written 20 and 50? Because 20 plus 50 is equals to 70. Is it correct? Let us see. 20 plus 50. 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. 2 plus 5. Take out 2 fingers. Count after 5. 6, 7. What is the answer? 70. So like this we have written. When we add two numbers, that is 20 and 50, we get the answer 70. Understood? Now you remember yesterday we made subtraction fact like this. Yes, one addition sum was given and we had to make subtraction fact. We will do same like yesterday now also. See, this is the addition sum when we when we add two numbers 20 and 50, we get 70. Then one subtraction form is written. Can you see? Now to make subtraction form, subtraction sum, what we have to do? We have to take the bigger number first. We have to take bigger number. Now tell me, from 20, 50 and 70, which number is a bigger number? Yes, very good. 70 is the bigger number. So we will write that number in the first box. First box we will write 70. We are doing subtraction sum. That's why I have put here subtraction sign, that is minus sign. Okay. Then another box we have to make. We have to fill up another box. First we wrote bigger number. Then what we have to do, there are two numbers here, 20 and 50. From these two numbers, we will take any one number and write first. What we will do, we will take any one number and we will write it first. So here they have taken 20. First number they have taken and wrote in this box. So we will also do that. 20. Okay, now you can see that the answer is this number, 50. Let us check. 50 is the answer. Let us check. Okay, 70 minus 20. We will check the answer is 50 or not. 0 minus 0 is equals to 0. Correct? And 7 minus 2 is equals to, how to do this? Take out two fingers, count before 7. Before 7 you will count. This is subtraction, no? That's why. Then before 7, which number comes? 6, 5. What is the answer? 50. Correct? This answer is correct then. Now we have to make another subtraction sum. Another than this. Same numbers we will not take now. Means these three numbers only, from these three numbers only we will make the subtraction sum. Next one. First we took which number? Bigger number, right? First we took bigger number. What is a bigger number? Type it in the chat box. 70 is bigger, or 20 or 50. Yes, very good. 70 is the bigger number. Always remember, okay? First box, we will write it like this. Then we are done with this number, 20. Already done. Again, we will not take this number. We will take another number, that is 50. We have to give the chance to all the numbers, right? Now again, we will not take 20. We will go with 50. So here in the next box, you don't have to write. You have to just listen today. Okay. Here we have written 50. Now tell me what will be the answer. Let us do and see. The answer will be 20 only. Let us check. 70 minus 50. 0 minus 0 is equals to? Yes, very good. Everyone is giving the right answer. 0 minus 0 is equals to 0. And 7 minus 5 is equals to? Take out 5 fingers. Count before 7. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let us count again. Everybody will use their fingers for counting. Count before 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Answer is 2. 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. Therefore, 70 minus 50 is equals to 20. Like this in the exam also you will do. Okay, you will be given one addition fact like this. Yesterday also we did, right? Then you had to make 2 subtraction sums. Did you understood? Type yes if you have understood in the chat box. Type yes what if you have understood. Yes, very good. Okay. Now we will do the another sum. This is very easy. 56 minus 56 is equals to, yes, 0. Okay, any two numbers, same numbers are subtracted, then answer will be 0 only. Like 70 minus 70 is equals to 0. 9 minus 9 is equals to 0. Then 40 minus 40 is equals to 0. You know this, right? So here what is the sum? 56 minus 56 is equals to 0. Very good. Next question. You all will read it with me. Do as directed. What is this? Do as directed. Read this question. Tick the box with correct answer. Tick the box with the correct answer. Here two sums are given. We have to check out that this is written correct or not. Okay. So we will first read out the first box. What is given over here? 43. 4 in the tens place we will write and 3 in the units place. You know this, right? Then when there is a single number, here a single number is there, no? So single number will always come in the units place. See, I'm going to draw a box now. What was the question? 43 minus 4. Here there is 2-digit number. What is the meaning of 2-digit number? 2-digit number means two numbers are there, right? 1 and 2, 4, 3. 2-digit. And this is a single digit number. Single digit number means one number. So we have to now do the addition of this. Plus sign it is. Here in the question, plus sign is given, right? So now we will make the box. Tens and units we will write. T for tens, U for units. Then we have to arrange the numbers. First we will take this number 43. Now tell me where 4 will go. 4 will go in the tens place. And where 3 will go? Yes, very good. Everyone is giving the right answer. Very nice. So 3 will go in the units place. Here addition sign. Now see children, here 4 is written, right? This is only single digit number. So single digit number, what is the place value of single digit number? We have done it, na? Place value, second chapter, do you remember? Yes. Always the place value of single digit number will be units place. So 4, we will not write it over here. This is wrong. Understood? If you write 4 over here, so this teacher will give you wrong only. Because this is single number. Single means you understand, na? One number this is. So it will always go here in units place. Understood the difference? Very good. Now we will start solving. We will do 3 plus 4. Always remember to start with the units place. 3 plus 4 we will do. 3 plus 4 is equals to, take 3 in your hand, count after 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. 7 is the answer, then 4. Here any number is there? Can you see any number below 4? No. So 4 will come directly down here. Understood? Because we don't have any number to solve. So 4 we will write it over here. Direct. Okay. So what is the answer? 47. So which box is correct? Now see the second box. This box we have done. See the second box over here. Where is 4 written? 43 here they have written. In the tens place 4 and in the units place 3. But just now I told you, because 4 is this 4, I am talking about this one. This. This is single digit number. So place value of one number will be units. So this 4 should be over here. But they have written it over here. So this is wrong. Understood? What is it? This is wrong and this is correct. Children, did you understand the sum? Type yes in the chat box. Very good. Yes, yes. Okay, nice. Then next sum we will do. Let us solve one more question like this. One more example we will take. Suppose 53 minus 2. This is the, subtraction, no? Addition we will do, okay? Suppose this is the sum and we have to arrange the numbers here in the box. Tens and units. Okay. So we will write first number. 5 will go in which place? Here in the tens place. 3 will go in which place? Here. Very good. Then where the 2 will come, where we will write the number 2, in the tens place or in the units place? Yes, very good. Everyone is writing correct. We will write 2 in the units place. Now we will start solving it. 3 plus 2. Write the answer in the chat box. 3 plus 2. Take out 2 fingers. Count after 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 we will write here, and any number is there to add with 5? No. So we will write 5 directly down. Answer is 55. Understood? Okay. Now next. This is the next sum. Let us read it. 60 plus 38 is equals to 98. And see this. 60 plus 38 is equals to 90. Two boxes, this one is given, two sums. Which one is correct. This one is correct or this one is correct. We have already ticked over here, but let us check. Let us check what will be the answer. 60 plus 38. We will do it and then tell. What was the question? 60 plus 38. Okay. Now 0 plus 8. 0 plus 8 will be 0 or 8. Type it in the chat box. 0 plus 8. 0 plus 8 is 8. Understood? Any number added or subtracted with 0, that number only will be the answer. If you write 0 over here, this is wrong. Wrong. Okay. 0 plus 8 is equals to 8. Now 6 plus 3. Tell me 6 plus 3. Take out 3 fingers. Count after 6. 7, 8, 9. Very good. So answer is 98. 60 plus 38 is equals to 98. So which box is correct? This one. So we had already ticked. Okay. Did you understand this sum? Then type yes in the chat box. What doubt you have, Kavya? Kavya, you type your doubt in the chat box. What you have? Gargi and Akhil, you did not understand. What doubt you have, Akhil? See, we will do this sum again. It is very simple. 60 plus 38. Wait, I will share the screen. Wait 1 minute. If you have no doubt, you type your doubt in the chat box. 20 plus 3. Kavya, you want 20 plus 3 to be done in the sum. Okay, we will do it. Okay. So first I'll explain this sum and then we will do 20 plus 3 also. See. 60 plus 38. 0 plus 8 is equals to 8. Why 8? Always when we add any number with 0, that number will only be the answer. Suppose 0 plus 7. What will be the answer? 7. 0 plus 6. What will be the answer? 6. Then 0 plus 5. Answer will be 5. Like this. 0 plus 8 will be 8. And 6 plus 3 will be 9. So answer is 98. Understood? Okay. So one girl was telling to solve 20 plus 3. See, 20 plus 3. How to solve this? Everyone pay attention. One minute. Yes. 20 plus 3 will be 23. Yes, Siddhi, you done everything. Everyone did a great job yesterday. So you all got how many stars? 500 stars. Very good, everyone. I gave stars to all. Okay, now solve this. My screen is visible, no? Okay. 20 plus 3. Here 0 plus 3 will be 0 plus 3. Just now I told. Any number added by 0 or subtracted with 0 will be that number only. So 0 plus 3 will be 3. And here directly 2 we will write it down. Why? Because no number here to add with 2. Okay. So answer is 23. Understood? Okay. So now we will move to the next question. Read this. 90 plus 90 is equals to 90. This is correct. Or 90 plus minus 90 is equals to 0. Again, we will read the sum. See, 90 plus sign is given. That means addition is equals to 90, or 90 minus 90 is equals to 0. Which box is correct? Yes, this box is correct. Because 90 plus 90 is not 90. Let us find out what is 90 plus 90. They have written 90 plus 90 is equals to 90, but that is wrong. So 90 plus 90, how much? Now we have to find out. We will start solving it. 90, this is tens, units. Okay. Now tell me 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 is equals to? Yes, very good. 0. And 9 plus 9. They have written 9, but this is wrong. So what will be 9 plus 9? Take 9 fingers out. Count after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. What is the answer? 18. So 90 plus 90 is equals to 180. This 1 is in hundreds place. This we will study later. Place of 100. Okay, therefore the answer is 180. 90 plus 90 should be 180. So this is wrong. And 90 minus 90. See, 90 minus 90. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Correct? Very good. 9 minus 9 is 0. So this is correct. Understood? Good. Let us move to the next question, shall we? Okay. So next question is, read the question with me. Use backward counting and subtract. Let's repeat the question again. Use backward counting and subtract. So here some pictures are given. Picture of cone. What is this? Which shape is this? Type it in the chat box. Which shape? Yes, cone. Do you remember the spelling of cone? C-O-N-E, cone. So we have to subtract these cones. So first we will count how many cones are there. Start counting with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. So this is how many cones? 14 cones. And here there are how many cones? Here, very good, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we have to do 14 minus 3 by using the method of backward counting. So let us count. Take 3 fingers out. Count before. We will count before or after. Yes, before we will count because this is subtraction. So take out 3 fingers. Count before 14. 13, 12, 11. Again we will count. Remove your 3 fingers here in your hand. Use your hands for counting. Parents, they are not counting with me, no? Then you type their name in the chat box. You all have to count it with me. Before 14 we will count, okay? Start. 13, 12, 11. What is the answer? 11, correct? Okay, very good everyone. Shall we move to the next question? Next one. Here also we will do the same thing, subtraction. So first let us count how many dogs are there. Which picture is this? This is a picture of a dog. D-O-G, dog. Okay. So let us count. How many dogs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here how many dogs are there? 8. And then here how many dogs are there? Very good. 4 dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to subtract 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is equals to, we will use the method of backward counting, okay? So take out 4 fingers. You all will count it with me. Take out 4 fingers. Count before 8. Start counting. 7, 6, 5, 4. Let us count it again. Take 4 fingers out and count before 8. 7, 6, 5, 4. So the answer is 4. Okay, understood this? Very good. See, now this is the next question. Short answer type questions. Fill in the blanks or box. 30 minus 18. What is written over here? 30 minus 18 is equals to 12. Is it correct? Let us see. We will use the method of backward counting, okay? See, 30 minus 18. 0 minus 8 is not possible. Why? Because in the subtraction, children, always there here, let it be tens place or the units place. But whenever we do the subtraction, bigger number should come first. We can't subtract smaller number by the bigger number. We can't do this. Yes, this is the rule. We know that, right? So 0 minus 8 is not possible. So this is a new concept of carrying over. We will do it afterwards in the next lesson. So now we will do the counting method. Okay. Before 30, you can do two methods of forward counting or backward counting. We have learned, no? We have learned in a textbook, you remember? That there were two girls. First girl did the forward counting method and the next girl did backward counting method. Any method you will use and you will solve the sum. So before 30, after 30, we will count till 18. See, after 18, we will count till 30. After 18, we will count till 30. So start counting. Use your fingers. Start counting after 18. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So what will be the answer? 12. 12 is the answer. What did we do? We counted after 18 till 30. So we got the answer 12. Okay, till here we will stop and then we will continue tomorrow. Okay, bye everyone.